I often get this question, why one have to pay 199 for this strategy session. So let me explain you. This strategy session is a personalized session, and before, when I launched the course, it was absolutely free. But as you know, in internet you see lots of opportunities and there are lots of spammers also. So I got lots of appointments getting booked, and there were only scammers. 80% of were scammers because the appointment at the session was free. Then I decided to keep a very minimal amount of 199. This change in my business have actually bring a lot of changes even in the mindset of the someone who is booking the session, because they completely understand that I respect each other's time. So this session is to give you a complete roadmap on how you can start with freelancing. Even if you don't join the program, it's absolutely fine, but you will get to know exactly how one can start with freelancing just by attending this session. And then once I feel that I can genuinely help you in your income goals to start your freelancing business and achieve, you make 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees per month as a freelancer, then what are you waiting for? Just go watch the webinar, apply for the call, and I will see you inside the session.